Today we're gonna be eating Korean barbecue as well as some delicious Korean food. We're at a place called the K BBQ, and it's about 1 hour north of Seattle. It's in a city called Marysville, Washington. So there's not a lot of Korean restaurants around here, and even less is fried chicken, Korean fried chicken, which is one of my favorites. So today we're gonna be eating some Korean barbecue, Korean fried chicken, and all kinds of good Korean food. As a family, we've got literally all of us here, all 7 of us. My dad's also here, excited to get into this new Korean restaurant. We're gonna see how it is, and then just kind of show you what's good on the menu. I'm sure everything's good on the menu, but yeah, this is our dinner today. What are you craving right now?
You know, actually, I love the Korean pancake.
Yeah.
It's like a side dish, but I love that. And then fried chicken.
Yeah, fried chicken, and then of course we should do Korean barbecue too.
Yeah. Mia's
Is
on the
Tara
naughty
a
list?
Korean beer?
Yes, it
It is. I've never seen it before.
Oh, it used to be very popular with the
Okay.
Heights, but then they came out with a different brand, different line called the Terra, and the Terra is really popular.
Oh, okay. Oh, I love ice cold beer in an ice cold glass. Yeah, thank you.
So I know that you didn't like the sweet, so start from this one little sip.
Oh,
This is the most common to the upstep, and then this one is barrel in the plum barrel. So
Ooh.
it has like a little hint of the
Oh,
plum.
that's nice.
And then this one is the most crispy, but this is like a very close to like traditional of the Korean food.
okay.
So as you know, all Korean barbecue places have a lot of side dishes, but this place, they're a little unique. They want to cut down on waste. So they have a sidebar, I guess you could say. So you just grab whatever you want yourself. And then if there's something that you like, you can grab extra of. This is a daikon or radish, pickled radish. They have the classic potato salad, all kinds of vegetables, and then even fruit. That's interesting. So I'm gonna grab us a whole bunch of stuff. They got some kimchi here. We get some cucumbers here. We love our cucumbers. Oh, I love this thing, whatever it's called, sprouts.
How about side dish? You want some cucumber?
Here you go, honey. Is there anything else you want?
No, that's good. I wanted the kimchi.
Yep, got the kimchi.
The pickled,
Do you like the potato salad too?
yeah, I don't think I've ever tried the
Go ahead, try it. Wow.
So this is a short rib,
Okay.
and a ribeye, and a beef bulgogi,
Oh my
and
gosh.
a brisket.
Thank you.
I'm making the identical set for the deputy.
Okay, thank you very much. Oh yeah.
And then I asked the kitchen to make the corn cheese and pizza corn cheese. Those
Okay.
two are very popular.
Just like the side dishes, you get your own dipping condiments. This is a meat dipping sauce. This is a soybean paste, and then this is just salt and pepper, which is awesome that you can just choose what you want versus just them serving whatever and then maybe not liking something. And she said, of course, you can go back and get more if you want. You like the mandu? Mandu is gyoza. Cheers.
Here, and mommy's blowing it. Hey.
Go ahead, show the camera, baby.
Alright, baby.
Wow. Corn cheese. Leah got a little side of fruit, which is kind of nice that they have that, especially for the kids. Usually you eat the fruit at the end, but it's okay. You can totally eat fruit right now. I don't think I've ever had the corn cheese before, honestly. I'm gonna try this corn cheese for the first time. I don't even know what it is. I'm assuming it's corn and cheese. Ooh, a little bit of cheese bowl.
That's so good. You want some corn cheese? You don't want corn cheese?
My gosh, that's a great way to start your meal right there.
Bella loves it.
There's some tomato in that. Obviously the cheese. Some kind of spices.
It's like corn and cheese. Yummy. It's so good.
Let me try this plain one. I have a feeling I'm gonna like this one too, obviously.
Honey, look, we're watching her do it.
So the lady said these rolled up pieces of steak are good to start with because it lubricates the whole pan. It's really hot right now.
Korea very popular for the frozen the pork.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called naengtam. So we tried to bring it over here. So this is really popular as well with the spicy stuff.
Oh, thank you so much.
My recommendation: start to grill the unmarinated meat first.
The marinated feet.
Then start to grilling the marinade.
Oh,
And then try
okay.
to do the spicy one on the last. Let me know if you guys need anything else. Okay.
The first grilled meat, the marinated nuts. I'm actually very, very hungry. Mmm. Of course, gotta have it with the kimchi. One thing that's unique about here, it's unlimited Korean barbecue, but you can also order other side dishes. Now, I don't know if this is part of it or not, but this is spam and kimchi fried rice. I've never had spam and kimchi fried rice where the sesame oil comes through.
It's like camping.
2 thumbs up? Okay, that's what I think too. Okay, so Judy put the marinated ones on. There's obviously marinated spare ribs. That looks awesome. You know what? I wonder if I can ask her to turn it up even more. Bella, is it good? Okay, really? Spare ribs. One thing about Korean barbecue, they always have scissors.
You want to try mine?
Look at how big these scissors are.
Just take a
Makes it so much easier. I mean, ever since Korean barbecue and scissors, we always have scissors at home, and we have multiple because we're just cutting everything with it. It's just so much easier than using a knife, especially in this situation where I'm vlogging and talking while holding a plate midair. Oh my gosh. This is sweet and spicy homemade sauce.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
This is a regular fried
Oh
chicken.
my gosh. Wow.
I'm coming out with one more.
Okay, thank you.
Sauce one.
This girl really wants some fried chicken. She even came over to my side, which is very rare. Okay, don't worry, you're gonna get some, okay, baby?
And this is butter garlic.
Okay, thank you. And then put this all in there. Did you do this one yet?
I did, yeah, that's what this is. This is the Korean barbecue. Very good.
Finally. What I like is the marinade, it's not too strong. So you still taste the meat, melts in your mouth. This is what I'm here for. I know it's called Korean barbecue, but her family, this is what I think they're known for in Korea. Fried chicken. Look at that. Dare I say it? Korean fried chicken might be the best fried chicken. Even though it's got the sauce, it's still crunchy. Sweet, spicy,
That was good food.
lots of umami. Really good?
This is like next level chicken wings.
Yeah, right? That's what I'm saying. I actually think that Korean fried chicken might be the best. Okay, so I'm assuming that this is the ribeye, or it looks like a ribeye. And just like everything else, I am going to just use the scissors. Oh yeah. That's hot. So I'm going to finally try this ribeye steak. I've never seen just a straight up big old piece of ribeye. And I've got the sauces right here. I'm going to try the meat dipping sauce first. Let's see what it's all about. It's got soy sauce, maybe a little vinegar, definitely some sugar. I got some salt and pepper right here. That's nice. You know what? The pepper is so fine, so it's very sharp. Oh, I'm done. I actually like that better than the meat dipping sauce. Have it with a little kimchi. When you got good meat, all you need is salt and pepper, honestly. Don't get me wrong, I like the meat dipping sauce, but with that salt and pepper mixture, it's almost got like a white pepper kind of feel to it. Gotta have beer too when you're having Korean barbecue. Which one of the fried chickens you like the most? That one, the sweet and spicy one, then pork belly going on. There we go. I feel like I should just cook all these up all at once. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nice and hot too. finally, I'm trying the pork belly right here. It's really hot, so I'm gonna put it on my plate first. With the pork belly, I'm gonna go with the meat dipping sauce. You know what though? I am gonna do the scissors though. It's just easier. Cut these. It's weird using scissors with my left hand, but I can't control chopsticks with my right hand, with my left hand, so. Okay. Pork belly and the meat dipping sauce. This is starting to smoke. She said that this right here is kind of like the thing. I have no idea how to do this. I'm just gonna put them all on here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Get them all on there. How do I do this? Do I just
a little bit for a little bit, and then kind of move
just,
around.
oh, got it. So you do want to unroll it?
Oh, it can be unrolled. If
Yeah.
it get unrolled, it gets cooked faster.
Got it, got it.
Some people just like to have it like
Rolled?
Like rolled.
And then flip it over once, and that's okay to do that? Yeah. Okay, cool.
If you, I can tell that you really like the chicken.
Yes, oh my God, it's so good. I'm gonna come back one day with just her and I, and I'm gonna drink like, I'll drink like 5 beers that night, okay? Like a date night. Uber? Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
We had a conversation with one of our friends, right?
Okay, I'm finally gonna try this. The owner was also saying this is also very good. This spicy pork. I think is this spicy pork belly? Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, baby. So I'm just kind of cooking away right now. Spicy pork belly. It doesn't need anything. Now, you can eat it just like this. Again, this pepper and salt mixture, I don't know what it is. Maybe because it's so fine. I'm a beef guy, but I think the pork here, I like better, personally. With some kimchi. That's the thing I love about Korean barbecue. You can have different experiences with the same protein because of all these different side dishes. Now, potato salad. Oh, pickled radish. As I'm chewing, it's a different flavor profile. Cucumber. We're all really full right now. I just got done. That was the most epic meal, from beef, the pork, of course, all the side dishes, everything, literally. The fried rice, the corn, the fried chicken. I'm telling you, the fried chicken was really the winner. Now, everything else was good. I mean, so by just any standard in any city, I've never been to Korea, but I'll tell you, I think this is like Korea transported to here. I enjoyed everything, and I'll tell you what, if you're in the north part of Seattle or you want to come here, it's an hour north of Seattle. It's in a city called Marysville, Washington. Definitely come here. Order the fried chicken, because a lot of people don't know about the fried chicken, because when you come here, you think about grilling the meat, you know, barbecuing the meat. Yeah. The other thing that was outstanding for me is the spicy pork belly. It's kind of rolled up. That also was really good. The corn dish was good, and then the Span fried rice, but I just love that you could pick your own sides. This is the aftermath. Yeah, how'd you like it? What was your favorite? Just tell me one thing that you enjoyed. Okay.
Brisket.
The brisket?
You like the
Oh yeah.
orange.
My dad even liked the kimchi, and he's never eaten kimchi, so I guess that's a sign you have to try the kimchi. I know it seems so simple. Dip your meat in the salt and pepper, okay? The soybean paste, very good, umami, rich. You know, normal meat dipping sauce, delicious, but the salt and pepper, because the meat quality was so good, is all you need. Time to go home and eat some leftovers.